Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Daldaroc. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to create your own custom water bottle using sticker paper. Okay, so you would go to Canva and you will click on custom size. For this water bottle label, we will be using 22 centimeters for the width and 4.5 centimeters for the height. Okay, so you go to File, click on Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. Okay, so your first line will come to 7 centimeters. Your second line will be at 13 centimeters. Okay, and let me label this for you to understand. So this will be your front, and the other two would be sides. Okay. And the side is where you could put your nutritional labels, your barcodes, your information, facts, and then your front will be what you want to see at the front of the bottle. So this is my final design. I included a barcode and nutritional information on the side part of the water bottle label, and you can see I created the front to be a bridal shower or wedding shower theme label. So if you want me to show you how I actually designed this in Canva with the graphics, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a separate video. But for now, we're now going to move on and I'm going to show you how I place this water label onto the water bottle. Now I print my content in bulk, so I have to cut this and separate it from the rest of my future content for the water labels or bottle labels. So you can skip this process, but if you printing more than one thing on the paper, then you would need to neaten your water bottle, or if you have a Cricut maker, you can easily use your Cricut maker to print and then cut. Now the next step is very easy. This gets done under 30 seconds. All you have to do is peel out your backing of your sticker paper and stick your label in your bottle. Now you can choose where you want to stick your label, but I prefer to stick my label where the existing label used to be. I find that this gives me a better idea of how to position the label and also ensure that it is straight and there's no errors on it when placement. Now make sure you do not pull out your backing paper, the whole of it. The reason being is if you do so and you need to change it, or you need to change it a bit because you put the label on skew, it's going to be a problem. So don't do that. Just remove the side edges of the backing paper and it's much easier for you to control when you're working with. Now this is the finished product. Now if I could give you one tip, is to make sure your bottle lid or your bottle color matches your design. That will give a very beautiful result. For instance, you cannot have a pink lid with a blue design. It does not look nice, but if that's what your client wants, then it's a different story. Okay, so take that into consideration when purchasing your water bottles for your water bottle labels. Now, if you want this template for free, let me know in the comment section and I'll send you the link for you to download this template for free. And if you have any questions or if you would like to let me know that you tried this, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you and I would love to answer your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you could see more of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.